April 2020, huge news. You can now answer your direct messages on Instagram from your desktop instead of your phone. This is a game changer, especially if you have to handle a lot of conversation. So what you do is you go onto Instagram.com, you log into your account on desktop, and now you will see on the top this little paper airplane where your messages will be showing. So you click on here and you will see your latest messages come, and if you have message requests, you'll see them here. So you can say, so I have a message here asking about an upcoming webinar. So I could type in an answer and I say, do we have webinars? I can say yes. I can have an answer ready to go that I cut and paste, and then I can say send. And this account will receive my information along with active links. I could also add a photo or do a little love heart. Keep in mind that at this moment you cannot answer with voice or with video like you can do on your phone, but this feature is a game changer. Also, what it allows you to do, which I think is super fun, is say if you have some groups, like I've created some groups and I have another video on how to create groups, but say for example for my business I have a group of super fans, like people that I've taught classes in the past or that are really active and interested in my content. So what I can do is choose a post. If I have something like here is a social chats interview, which is about how to keep your business up to date with social media and so on, I could choose this post and I can go here and I can now share it to direct and all sorts of different options, but straight from my desktop I can decide to share it to a group that I've created. I have a video on how to create groups on Instagram, but this way I can right away go in and send a specific post or IGTV video to a certain group of people I would have chosen and created. So this is a game changer. I've also checked it on my Facebook business page, which is linked to my Instagram account, and all the Instagram direct features are now available from desktop, also from your Facebook business page if connected to your Instagram account. So have fun. This is life simplified. It's like an Easter gift for us all. Take care.